are expectant, 2 weeks pregnant, and they are already taking baby bump pictures and they are posting on social media. It terribly scares me. Because I say you are incubating a child and it's very sensitive and you're putting it out in the world and you're documenting your pregnancy journey. It's okay. You can document it for your own consumption, your generation. You don't have to document it for other people. I saw somebody who did that and eventually she lost the child. And everybody kept on saying, you see, and it was so hard. I don't know whether she recovered from that because of what people were posting on social media. People do not care. They don't care. They don't care at all. So sometimes even when you have the dream, it's your dream. You don't need to share it out. So Joseph shared with his own brothers and they were very incensed by this dream.
Get the point. Take a step forward.